Ford's marketing approach for electric vehicles has focused on using well-known brands. First came the contentious decision to use the Mustang badge on the Mach-E crossover. This was followed by the F-150 Lightning pickup, which used the most popular the name in the United States, while in Europe, Ford introduced the Explorer EV and revived the iconic Capri name. Ford has now unveiled the Puma Gen-E for the European market, based on the gas-powered Puma subcompact crossover, which is now the brand's best-selling vehicle on the continent. Ford maintained the appearance of the gas-powered version, including the bubbly profile and bug-eyed headlights, and kept the name of its top-selling vehicle. However, the trapezoidal grille has been swapped out with an inverted U-shaped black trim piece, adopting the style that the Mustang Mach-E first popularized. Additionally, the Gen-E has special wool designs and a rear spoiler to increase efficiency. Ford hopes to keep costs low, with the Puma Gen-E acting as the entry point into its EV lineup. To achieve this, the Gen-E comes with a small 43.0 kWh battery pack with a 234-mile maximum range. While this is low by American standards, it should be competitive in Europe, where commuting times are often much shorter. Ford also says a maximum city driving range of 325 miles, so the Puma Gen-E should be fine as a local runabout, with its one-pedal drive mode come in useful. The Puma Gen-E will also recharge quickly, with Ford saying that when connected to a fast charger, the battery would be able to charge from 10 to 80% in approximately 23 minutes. However, do not expect quick acceleration. With only 166 horsepower, the Puma Gen-E will take 8.0 seconds to go from 0 to 62 miles per hour. The electric Puma compensates for its lack of speed with a convenient interior. The trunk is spacious, 20.3 cubic feet of room with the back seats in place is an improvement over the gas-powered Puma. There is also a 1.5 cubic foot trunk, and the absence of a typical transmission has resulted in a modified center console for more storage. The inside is generally similar to its gas-powered version, with a big steering wheel, a 12.0-inch center touchscreen, and a 12.8-inch digital gauge cluster. The Puma Gen-E is equipped with Ford's latest Sync 4 infotainment system, which incorporates cloud-connected navigation and wireless phone mirroring. Drivers may also control the system using voice commands thanks to the built-in Alexa speech assistant. Wireless phone charging and optional adaptive cruise control with lane centering and stop-and-go capabilities are additional technological highlights. Additionally, Ford will provide directional headlights that follow the curve of the road ahead and a 360-degree surround view camera. Prices are anticipated to start in the mid-$30,000 level, with deliveries begin in spring 2025 in Europe. The Puma Gen-E is unlikely to be offered in the United States, but we hope Ford can include the same practicality and affordability into future US-bound EVs.